umuntu wesiswati umake onke lamanye ama-topics esitakhuluma ngawo niyangiva. That is why umcoka kakhulu ukuthi umuntu wesiswati siwulelisise kahle ngoba usisekela. Now why do I say that? Ngisho ngoba emthini wesiswati kunendlela kabantu guys. Talk to me, indlela kabani? Nisengaqali bhala just wait just bhala. Right. Kunendlela kabantu guys? In fact, there are two very important places emthini wesiswati. Indlela kagogo nakuphi guys? Nasesibayeni. Are we together? Now, nakuphuma umthimba ekhaya, umthimba uphuma endlini kabani? Right? Na nawe embili ufuna ungena endlini kabani? Nakukhona oshonile ubekwe endlini kabani? Tinkume timntwana kukhulele endlini kabani? Right. That means even nalo sikubita ngedina. Lokudla kwansamba manje ngiva guys. Manje sikithi utamaka lomkhulu angene endlini kagogo nokudla kwakhe lakuphekile. Kutamaka lomncane endlini kagogo nendlu kwakhe kanjani lakuphekile. Bese lo mdingi sona njani so yahla. Uhlanganela ngomphundela. Right. That is why lo muntu wesiswati is very important guys. Are we together about? Because yonke into iqala emntini wani? Emntini wesiswati. Noma kaphuma nje ukwenza kunemthimba from 5 right? There's a topic emthimba from 5 right? Ngomkhipha selahamba right? Oh, poma we twaka. Oh yeah. Kalomthimba lokhashane dive. Bambi zizwelo. Yabo sahab. Sunduze. Elan, uzosi amsunduze. Asemsukeni vile msana.
Mabukisi Foundation, lwadi nebuve ingcebo.